sim racing can be a rich person's game, but more and more companies are trying to make it more accessible. This is the Asetek. I've had to censor that last bit because I'm technically not allowed to tell you what it's even called. I can't really talk to you about it, but you know what? I'm gonna go a bit rogue and I'm gonna say some little bits and bobs here. It may have 5 Newton meters of force feedback through the wheel. It may have a completely customizable acceleration and brake pedal system with a load cell brake system going on here as well. The wheel may feel really, really good on it. And there may be a lot of detail coming through this direct drive wheelbase that is on here. Stuff that you expect from a company that has such a premium pedigree in sim racing. Oh, and if you were to ask me about console support, then I could say yes. I would add the condition that PlayStation support is coming later, but in terms of out the box, you could plug this into your Xbox and play something like Forza Horizon 5 here. But here's the kicker. While I crash into a lamppost. This is where the value proposition of this comes in. Because what they're aiming for is to get basically all of this. So I'm not just talking about the wheel and the pedals. I'm talking about the wheel, the pedals, and the very throne I'm sitting on right now for around about the $1,000 mark. So I know we're wandering around a 4-figure price tag going on here, but for an entire thing like this, that is seriously good value for money. And in terms of when you can get it, well, you absolutely won't be able to find it maybe around August. Obviously you didn't hear that from me. Don't get me in trouble with Asetek. And also it's something that will be easily upgradable over the course of time as well. So as you start to get better and better at sim racing and you need something like a stronger wheel, maybe you need like a more advanced pedal system, maybe you want like the shifter to kind of work on rally. It will all work with this as part of Asetek's ecosystem. So I want to know what you think. First of all, are you as obsessed with sim racing as I am? Totally fine if you're not. I know I'm a bit of a special example, but would you buy something like this? Go ahead and let me know in the comments. And for more Computech stuff, keep it locked on tomsky.com.